In this quick guide, we're going to dive into how to use JungleScout's market research tools, an essential asset for anyone serious about e-commerce and selling on Amazon. If you're new to the software, or if you've been hearing a lot about it but aren't sure how to use it effectively, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage JungleScout's powerful features to find profitable products, analyze your competition, and ultimately boost your sales. Before we get started, I want to let you know that you can get JungleScout's market research tools completely free from the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses. And trust me, you won't want to miss that. Now let's jump into the first feature you'll want to master, the Pastas product database. This is your go-to tool for discovering trending products. It's incredibly simple to use, yet extremely powerful. You can filter products based on criteria like sales volume, reviews, price, and more. The best part is that JungleScout pulls data directly from Amazon's marketplace, so you're getting real-time insights. If you're looking for a product to sell, you can easily find one with low competition but high demand, which is exactly what you need to make a successful launch. Next up is the product tracker. This tool is your way of keeping tabs on potential products over time. It allows you to track sales data, pricing, inventory, and even reviews of your competitors. If you're deciding between two products, this tool gives you the exact data you need to make a decision based on long-term performance rather than just a snapshot. By monitoring trends, you can spot shifts in the market before your competitors, giving you a serious edge. Another essential tool is the Keyword Scout. With JungleScout's Keyword Scout, you can uncover the best keywords for your Amazon listings, giving you a chance to improve your visibility. This tool shows you the search volume, competition, and CPC data, so you can make informed decisions on what keywords to target for your product listings. Think of it like your roadmap to organic traffic on Amazon. You'll also find the opportunity to optimize your product title and description to make your listings more discoverable. The supplier database, WASCE, is another game changer. This tool helps you find reputable suppliers for the products you're looking to source. It shows you which suppliers are shipping products similar to the one you're interested in, giving you insight into their reliability and performance. You can even see their average shipping costs, the quantity of items they've shipped, and their contact information. This is key for finding a supplier who can meet your needs and help you scale without compromising quality. Now, let's talk about the Sales Analytics Analytics tool. JungleScout's analytics tools give you a snapshot of your business performance. You can track your sales, profit margins, and ad spend to determine whether your strategies are working or if you need to tweak your approach. It's one of the best ways to measure ROI, especially when you're dealing with Amazon ads. Knowing your numbers is crucial, and this tool makes that process seamless. Finally, let's touch on the Academy. If you're just getting started with JungleScout, the Academy is an invaluable resource. It's a series of educational modules that walk you through every tool and how to use it to its full potential. Whether you're looking to optimize listings, find suppliers, or scale your business, JungleScout's Academy has a course for that. So, to wrap it up, JungleScout offers an extensive suite of tools that will give you the edge you need to succeed in Amazon's competitive marketplace. Whether you're searching for profitable products, analyzing your competition, or finding the right keywords, JungleScout makes it easy to do all that and more. Before you go, remember that the link in the description below gives you access to an exclusive and extended free trial, so you can start using JungleScout's market research tools without any commitment. Trust me, this is a must-have resource for any Amazon seller looking to scale their business.